Assalamualaikum to Dr. Hayati. We are from Group 8. We're presenting about our project programming, which is to calculate reaction force and internal shear force by using Python programming language. This is our group member, me, Nur Hidayah, Nur Izati, and one Nur Azina Atika.
Firstly, for this program, we follow the method that is Program Development Lifecycle, that is PDLC, because this method contains high quality software that is followed in system manner. For PDLC program, we follow 6 steps. Firstly, we analyze the problem. We decide what problem to be solved and choose the program. Secondly, we design the program. And next, we code the program, and then we debug the program to find the error. And then we formalize the solution. And lastly, we document and maintain the program. Next is the objective. The objective number 1 is to development a program and understanding the program language by aid of Python. And secondly, to design flowchart and procedure code using Python. And lastly, to calculate the reaction and internal force by using a Python. Flowchart. Firstly, we start and display this program to calculate the reaction force and internal force, and then we display the input and make the decision L should not less than L1, and then we calculate the reaction force using formula, and then calculate internal force using formula, and then we print the result, and lastly we end the program.
As we know, pseudocode is one of the tools that can be used to write a preliminary logical sequence to develop a particular computer program. Besides that, pseudocode also is defined as a semi-formal English-like language with a limited vocabulary that mostly utilize programming keyword to describe programming statement dealing with the gathering of inputs, processing data, and displaying outputs. Next, if you can see, this is pseudocode for our group project.
Step 1. Enter all the input value. X equal to 5, I equal to 2.5, L equal to 20, L1 equal to 10, and lastly is P, is a point load equal to 90. Enter the value of L, for example 8. Error occur when the length of the beam of a section AB, which is L1, is greater than the length of the beam L. So, enter the new value of L, for example 20, so the correct value will be valid. Next, calculate the reaction force for RA and RB. RB is equal to P times X over L, and RA is equal to P minus RB. From the data input, three conditions to calculate the internal shear force is used. The first one is if X is less than I, and the second one if X is greater and equal to I, and lastly is when X is greater than L1. Lastly, all the result of the reaction has been printed and the program is end.
In conclusion, beams are structural elements that are used to support loads by transferring them to other structural elements. Beams are characterized by their long, slender shape and their ability to resist bending. Beams can be made from a variety of materials, including wood, steel, concrete, and composite materials. Beams are a versatile and efficient structural elements that can be used in a variety of applications. They are a good choice for applications where weight, cost, and efficiency are important considerations. This program can run various types of programmers, one of which is to determine how students write computer program in Python to calculate the reaction force on a specific support and internal shear force at a certain point. The project is to design the reaction force at support A and B and the internal shear force at point Q. This project is also related to civil engineering, which will calculate the amount of reaction with internal shear force. With this program, we can get the exactly amount and make work faster and easier. So that's all from me. Thank you.